my name is Sally Seashell, and I am a supply chain manager. I need to make sure that my customers are satisfied with our shipments, so I need a way to see a quick overview on my phone about how we're doing. With KPiSync, I can choose which key performance indicators I want to be up to date on and have immediate access to them on my phone as they update. When I get to the tile, I immediately see that it's red, and I know that that means we're not doing as well as we should be. When I click on the KPI, I can get a bit more information about where we're at. The colors make it easy for me to quickly know if an area needs my attention. Just like a stoplight, the green, yellow, and red allow me to intuitively gauge about how well we're doing. I can ask my database administrator to set the thresholds on KPiSync's admin panel, and these can be changed at any time. They are predefined ranges of where our results should fall. Hi, my name is Megan Smith, and I am a Chief Financial Officer. In my role, I need to be up to date on the different aspects of our profit margin. I'm primarily interested in finance-related key performance indicators. For example, as CFO, I like to have a high-level view of revenue per employee. KPiSync is intended to be just that, a quick snapshot of how predefined measures of our organization are stacking up. I can also contact my database administrator to give viewing permissions to my employees. I can choose who is able to see which KPI according to their role in the company while still being able to see them all myself. All of this is possible in KPiSync's admin panel. Hi, my name is Hannah Montgomery, and I'm the head of HR. The health and overall wellness of employees is very important to me, and one way I keep track of that is by looking at the average number of hours that employees work per day, along with the absentee rates, so that I can determine whether work is being appropriately divided. KPiSync works on my desktop as well as my phone, so that this information comes with me wherever I go. With this view on my desktop, I can see where we're at with both the KPIs, hours worked per day, and the absentee rate for that day. I can use the snapshot of the data to calculate whether I need to ask the staffing manager to make any changes. Hello, my name is Joanne Harding, and I am supervising warehouse inventory. My primary goal is to see how long it's taking for us to fill an order. Calculating order fill rate is otherwise a complex query to write, but KPiSync offers an optimal solution, an updated snapshot of the current state of the order fill rate KPI. In addition, KPiSync gives me a description of the KPI if I click on it in the app. If I need to explain to someone where a business is at, I can easily demonstrate it by showing the percentage, color of the current state, and the description of the KPI. For example, when I look at order fill rate, I see that it is green, the percentage is 1, and I see that it tracks how long it takes for an order to be completed, and as a result, it helps to shorten the time between order and delivery. Hi, my name is Sandra Jacobson, and in my role as a marketing manager, I need to determine how to spend our resources in order to maximize sales. One key performance indicator that I like to check in on at the end of every day is the average orders by customer. KPiSync gives me the quick snapshot that I need as I wrap up my work. I don't use it as my sole data source, but instead as a tool that will tell me how we are doing so that I don't have to contact a DBA every time I need to access a certain value. I can simply contact my database administrator once to set this value to update at the end of each workday so that I can see exactly the information I am interested in. With that data, I am able to either ramp up, maintain, or update my team's marketing strategies depending on our satisfaction.